pamangkin ko siya, anak siya ng kapatid ko na minamahal ko.
So, last night.
She needed a Yaya Susan. Ako po ang nagsweldo, hindi po ako nagyayabang. I'm just trying to refresh the memory of everybody.
No. I think, wait, can you just say something? I think lang
O, louder kasi,
I think
nagsingin ka na naman.
Ba't ako naghingi?
Your voice, grabe. Ang layo kasi.
Okay. No, I guess we're explaining, she's explaining this kasi because of yung racing. It's...
Kaya nga, I have to say the beginning, babe. So in other words, the reason kung bakit ko sinasabi, I'm proud to say na kung magmahal ako, kung magmahal ka, nagbibigay kami. Hindi dahil gusto kong ipagyabang 24 years later. No. Ganon ako magmahal. Ganon tayo mga Pilipino na sa kultura natin yan. Kung sino nakakaangat, siya ang tutulong sa pamilya. At lalong-lalo na kung paborito mong kapatid. Diba? So, Danny was the apple of my eyes. I didn't have any children yet. Dominic wasn't born yet. I provided everything, including love and attention. And so did Claudine.
That's what's painful.
Okay, so yan, ibabalik ko na.
Time, energy.
Si Danny, masakitin na bata. She has that, yung
Skin.
psoriasis ba yun? Or something, asthma of the skin. She had asthma, nag-nebulize. Darling, ako ang nagdadala sa ospital, sa doktor. Eto, nagbabantay sa ospital. Many years went on. Of course, Danny was there already when Marjorie was pregnant with sorry. Dennis Padilla and Marjorie were together already. They were living in already when Marjorie was pregnant with Danny. Of course, Dennis was doing very well at that time. He was doing movies also sa Viva Films. So, ang nangyari doon, Dennis would also provide food, and beyond just food and paying other bills when he was doing well in show business. Tinuring talaga ni Dennis Padilla na tunay na anak si Danny, gusto nga na i-adopt.
Hindi mo natuloy. Alam pa, Valdivia.
Nag-Valdivia nga. She supposedly for 7 years ginamit. Ay, na-adopt ba siya? I don't know.
Well, people are asking,
I don't know. Tightly next please, darling.
Danny though was talking about the dad. Why are you hurt?
When she said, I'm not supposed to be talking
Sorry,
about it, it was brought up.
I'll
Pero,
say lang something.
sige,
I
siya
don't
naman.
know that kwento. If I'm not joining,
Yeah.
I don't know the kwento.
You don't know the kwento,
No.
Danny had a write-up, na parang saying that only my mom raised me. Siya lang. She raised me on my own.
No. Doon sa wedding.
Yeah. Parang I'm not crying, I just have allergy. Alcohol, please. Tapos, sabi niya, no. Hurt ba? Biglang, hurt ba? No naman, it's just that when you, kasi di ba, minahal ko si Danny. I thought I was her second mother. And when they she called me Mama Nel, sineryoso ko yun. So, parang ngayon yung sinabi, my mom was the only one who was there for me, who raised me na all on her own. Ano ako multo? Ano si Claudine multo? Ay, parang for me, ouch! Diba? Parang ouch. I was hoping I raised or I gave love to people who at least can be grateful. At least. Yun lang. Not counting the material things that you give away, but the time, the love, the attention. Yun lang. Diba, a little respect. If, okay, I'll talk about Kier Legaspi naman. Kier Legaspi is not just a wealthy father. Siguro kung may kasalanan si Kier kay Danny, is hindi siya mayaman. Hindi siya mayor. Diba? Nakalookan. Yung gano'n na wala siyang limpak na pera. Yun lang ang kasalanan ng isang Kier. No. You're asking me questions, and I'd like to just answer, as candidly as possible. you know? So, yun lang ang kasalanan, but he always tried. Kier Legaspi always tried to be a part of Danny's life. But the mom of Danny just did not allow it because in the beginning, I won't go that big, too much information. That's it. You know, I'll cut there. I love Danny. And uminit ang dibdib ko, honestly. As somebody who took care of her, and I really, really, really wish, you know, na she'll have a little gratitude in her heart. Yun lang, si Danny. Kasi absent ka ng absent eh. Sa klase.
At saka hindi ko, I didn't know pala.
No, yun lang. Yun lang naman ang ano ko na, Claudine, I will not say, hindi ko inaako na ako lang ang you know, nagtaguyod dyan, ako lang ang nagpaaral, ako lang, no. Because you were there. Pero mas ni-raise, kasi si Claudine, ako kay Danny, ang talagang pinalaki mo, si Julia and Chloe. So kay Danny talaga binungus ko at kay Chloe later on in the realize.
Si Claudio kasi nawawala.
Sorry. Nag-CR lang.
Go.
Ano? Ano question again?
Hindi, wala pang question.
Walang question?
Buang.
See, palaga, she knows how to say buang.
I learned it from you. Duh. I'm like, what's the next?
Ayun lang, wait lang, ulitin ko lang. Kay Tita Nanay, I wasn't there. Kasi,
Tita Nanay is,
hindi ko kaya.
she's 91 years old na tita namin.
Sister of my mom.
Okay.
Talaga na,
Anong hindi mo kaya, babe?
na tungkol mga funerals, ganyan, lalo na yung February 29 na matay si Derek Cuentas itong March, birthday of Rico, death anniversary of Rico, ang dami, birthday niya. So March talaga sa bali.
Oo, parang you're not, oo. Okay.
Tapos, ano na sinabaka?
Ano, I honor that. Alam mo, hindi porket pumunta ka sa patay para bisitahin yung patay, mahal mo yung patay. Nasaan ka ng buhay? Nandun ba kayo? Am I allowed to say that, baby?
Yeah.
No, kasi ako, ang importante, hindi yung mga picture sa Instagram na magkakasama kayo. Yung kinakailangan ba ni Tita Naning ng what's the name? Ensure, ng kama, ng ganyan, bago nakalabas ng pera, nagkakagulo ka, di ba?
Tapos, hindi, ang ano is,
But at least, Claudine, you offered your love,
may time.
time, di ba?
Kasi close ko pa sa Mami Mitzi ko yung ate ko, diba? Who talagang took care of her own. Sobra.
Yeah, while the person is alive, lahat
Na-hurt
ng mamahal mo, pakita mo na yung pagmamahal. Yung totoo,
Yeah.
hindi yung pag namatay, nandun kayo lahat. Tapos,
Hindi ko talaga
Wala
kaya
naman.
makita yung nakita ko. Kasi nakita ko siya na masigla first and then pa-deteriorate. Ito siya. Tapos ako nung nasa hospital, nung Mami Mitzi ko, and then there's a time sa ward kami natulog, may communal lang yung bathroom kasi nakaya ng insurance natin. Walang nagdala ko na airbag sa lahat. I sleep over ako ng
kasi dapat pinaibigan mo na ako nung pa sinabi mo.
kasi lahat
hindi kayo
saan,
nag-work.
lahat talaga, close na, hindi siya brother.
Kasi tiniis mo kasi ako eh.
What are you up to now nowadays? What makes you busy?
May ate. Always. Hindi, joke lang po. I'll be, sa next week, may meeting na po ako for Shogun Channel. So, sana po, na-enjoy.
Louder your voice, baby.
Ma-enjoy niyo ulit. Dahil, what do you call this? Yun daw, may magandang mga projects na lined up for me by Star Cinema and BTS. But both Sogo and
Pelikula.
And sabi ko, sana, kung matuloy, hanggang sa nag-roll, basta papaalam ko sa inyo lahat. Basta yun. So,
You want to be